All right, we're here at Barber. Check it out, guys. Here at Arrive and Drive. My name is Johnny. Check it out. Look at this. Look at these beauties. Ooh. Look at that. Talking about some race car history. Insane. Look at this. Look at that. What a beautiful car. This here at Barber, this museum is actually owned by one person. It is insane. Look at race history. Look at this. Old Formula One car looks like. Mario Andretti's original 1969 500. Oh, sorry, it's an Indy car. Crazy. Look at that. Yeah. I'm walking way back into history. Look at this. Lotus everywhere. Look at this. Wow. Teammate there for Zanella Racing.
The other big difference is four-wheel drive to try and get all that power down onto the tarmac at a time when aerodynamics still were not producing.
Wow. Another one of my teammates there. Yeah, we're down here with Zanella Racing, so we're kind of just checking this out before we unload cars and all that stuff. Get ready for the race. Nice. Here at Barber Motorsports Park. Craziness. Look at this. 1956 Lotus. Lotus 11 Gullwing. Ooh. Insane. This is stuff everywhere. This will do some old cars. Lotus, all Lotus awesome. Yeah. Man, crazy. What about this beauty right here? Look at that. Man, let's walk around this one here. It's nice. 1956. Wow. It even gives you the history on it. Look at this here. Old Dan Gurney car. Crazy. Insane. Wow. What a piece of history. What a piece of history, guys. Amazing.